Rainforest loops. Out here, Whale Pacific Trail area. Smell good too. We figure this is skunkweed here. Oh, here we are. Oh, there's a solid rock. There's a solid piece of wood I'm on. That's a tree. This is a huge tree. I'm trying to capture it, but it's like...
It's hard to...
Like when you take a picture of it, it just doesn't look...
No.
Oh, there's an inside to it as well. It's really cool. Wow. Look inside this guy. This is a big puppy. Okay, this is my hand. That doesn't even show anything compared to this huge tree right here. Oh, you know, the only thing we've found about walking this little trail is everybody is in such a rush. Nobody wants to kind of walk and just see it. Everybody just wants to panic through. Everybody's rushing by us. And they're just missing the whole forest and the whole tranquility of it. Such a shame, but I guess that's the way it is. You can see the forest is reclaiming the steps now, slowly growing onto the steps, the forest. Here's a dead tree, and it's got all sorts of life, regrowth happening on it. Just amazing. Well worth the walk if you ever get a chance to take this rainforest trail. Wow, it fell all the way across, and it's holding the bridge up actually, this tree. This tree holds the bridge up. Look at that. Wow. You gotta like how the trees are used. This is a big tree. Read about this tree. Here's the story. It's a massive cedar. There are a lot of stairs, but well worth it. And there are some rest spots, and we're just going to have one right now. Oh, it's creepy. You can just hear the creaking of the trees rubbing against each other. It's a pretty windy day as well. Well, here we are on the B side of the road on the Rainforest Trail. If you're a bit shaky, it's a narrow little wooden platform. Gotta watch where you're going. We're going under. Yeah. We are going under this guy. Oh, make sure you keep your head down really low. Oh, it's like a micro thing up here. It's really cool. Oh. There's cake coming out from under the tree. Wow, this is quite dynamic, this side. And what did we get here? We get Stellar's jays. I seen one this morning, but I couldn't get a picture of it. and gold crowned kinglets. Wow, look at this. Wow, this is incredible. Oh, there's another monster. Holy crap, look at this thing. Wow. This is a really cool side. This is the A side of the two trails. A lot more fallen trees here. Somebody was busy cutting all these stairs up, eh? Oh, and the little bridge. There's that weird tree with all the holes on it. Another huge tree, for sure. And we'll get the story of it as we come over here. Almost looks like a little heart there. Here we go.
Oh, that's just a little hole.
And another monster mushroom right here. So how close I can get to that mushroom. Again, we had to chop down some trees. Ooh. Hope everyone enjoyed it who watched it. It's been a lot of fun taking this trail walk.